Today I'm going to show you how to make knit strawberries. This video will cover the KFB stitch as well as the assembly of the strawberries. To find the full written pattern, please visit the link in the description. To begin, cast on 6 stitches and purl across. On the next row, you're going to knit in the front and the back of the first stitch. Then knit 1. Repeat this across the row. You will now have 9 stitches. At the end of the piece, you are left with 3 stitches. Break the yarn, thread it through a yarn needle, and remove these stitches. This will be the top of the strawberry. Remove the needle from the yarn at the top of the strawberry and insert it into the yarn at the bottom of the strawberry. The strawberry will be seamed from the bottom up. Sew the side seam about 3/4 of the way up. Then you're going to stuff the strawberry and sew the rest of the seam closed. When you reach the top, sew the opening closed. Now it's time to add the stem. Using green yarn, stitch in a star pattern. Backtrack over each of the sides of the stem so it stands out more. The final step is to stitch the seeds on. And there you have it. Your knit strawberry is complete.